Expert. Leading the race, that is Lance Kinikot from Dumaguete City. Second place, that is BJ Pipito. Third place, that is Renren Soler. Fourth place, that is Clark Galasa. Wala si Cyril Tariman. So leading the race. Ayun, lumalapit si BJ Pipito. Ayun, nakuha na. Hindi pa rin. Tignan natin. Yun! Tumera! Ayun mga kapatid. Ay! Nice move by BJ Pipito. Here we go, BJ Pipito. BJ Pipito, here we go. Yes, nice jump. Lance Kinikot, hindi tumera. Renren Soler. Nice jump by Renren Soler. Clark Galasa. So lumalapit si Lance Kinikot. Lumalapit si Lance Kinikot ni BJ Pipito. Renren Soler. Lumalapit din si Clark Galasa. Okay, leading the race, BJ Pipito. BJ Pipito from Droid Project and BP8 Racing, and also Cafe 8020 and Pan Boricat Lifestyle of Team Cebu. BJ Pipito leading the race, that is BJ Pipito. Second place, that is Lance Kinikot. Lumalayo si BJ. Nice jump by BJ. Nice jump by Lance Kinikot. BJ Pipito. Mesger. Nag-mesger si BJ. BJ Pipito. Yes. Lance Kinikot. Yes.
So thank you ni Honorable Malu Pipito. Thank you Sir Bernie Kakoy. Ato ang mayor no, bagong mayor na sa West na may thank you BGD no. And let's get it on. Cross Panagao Racing.
Legosan! BJ Pipito, lumalayo ni Lance Kinikot. Dito wala pang white flag. Mamaya white flag, tingnan nyo. May pa habol si BJ. May nice move si BJ ha. Tingnan nyo sa last lap, mag white flag.
Schedule ha, para mapuno kung sa pizza partner, pero sigurado na tayo July o August. Yes, partner, kaya kita sa po ay fiesta din sa Suma. Fiesta yun sa sakto na gito mga sa siguro, ha? Hopefully, no? Napuno na ang panahon. So, we congratulate
Wala pang white flag. Battle for second place, battle for second place. PC and Lance Kinikot, battle for second place. Yon, lumalapit na si Clark Gilesa ni Lance Kinikot. Battle for second place. Ayun, ay! Ayun! Battle for second place. Ayun! And out! Yeah! What a nice move! Bakbakanay, battle for second place. Cebuan Negros. Yon, Bakbakanay, doon tayo. Bakbakanay, battle for second place. Battle for second place. Lumalapit si PC. Lumalapit si PC. Ayun. Ayun. Yeah, 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 yeah. Yes. PC or Clark Gilesa from Top Cebu City. Second place na, second place na. Yeah. Yeah, overjump by Clark Gilesa.
Ano yung problema sa piloto, partner? Kapag sa motocross, napukon, hindi sila pwede mag-motorcycle.
So white flag is up. White flag is up na for BJ Pipito.
White flag is up.
White flag is up to BJ Pipito. Clark Gilesa, nanas pangalawa. Lance Kinikot. Yun, white flag is up to BJ Pipito.
Okay, white flag na, partner. Last lap na. Okay, partner, white flag. One more lap to go. Okay, lap to go. Hindi kayo, partner.
Ito na. Ayaw. Champion BJ Pepito. Second place Mark Golesa. Third, Lance Kinikot.